How to buy and sell stocks on Robinhood. This is what you will learn in this quick tutorial step by step. So step 1 is to find your company. Use the search tab to find the stock you wish to purchase. In this tutorial, we will use AMD as our example. Tap on the company's name to proceed. Okay, then in order to initiate the trade, on the stocks detail page, you will see a trade button. You need to click on that to initiate the transaction. On the Robinhood app, there are two ways you can buy a stock: buy in dollars and buy in shares. Buy in shares means you will purchase a specific number of whole shares, and when you buy in dollars, you purchase fractional shares based on the specific dollar amount. For this guide, we will select buy in shares. Enter the exact amount of shares you want to buy. In this tutorial, we are buying 10 shares of AMD, so I'll type 10. The next step is to review your order. You need to carefully check the order's details, including the number of shares and estimated cost. Tap review to proceed to the final confirmation. Once you are okay with the number of shares and the amount or estimated cost, the final step is to swipe up to execute the trade. And once you will swipe up the screen, your purchase would be complete. You now own a position in the company. Your new shares will appear in your portfolio. Although it's not part of this tutorial, but you can explore the advanced orders on the Robinhood app, where you can automate your trading strategy using the conditional orders. Robinhood provides the detailed in-app explanation for each type to help you invest with more control. Now, how to sell a stock? Extremely easy to sell a stock. You need to navigate to the stock within your portfolio, tap the trade button to open the transaction menu, and then you need to confirm and execute the sale by selecting the sell option. Enter the number of shares you wish to sell and swipe up to confirm the transaction. The process is as simple as buy.